Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uyaphila-ke. Mina-ke ngisacela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezeleke ibhathini u-subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiy'faka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba kulethe lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lesi-ke i-M_K-ke ifike yagwaza-ke laphana umkhonto-ke wagwazwa-ke kwazwela-ke laphana-ke emhlanganweni-ke omkhulu abebenawo-ke laphana-ke uthinta-ke ama-constitution-ke laphana-ke nokunye-ke ngokweqembu-ke laphana-ke ebekukhona-ke abaholi-ke impela-ke abaningi-ke be-M_K kubalwa uFloyd Shivambu-ke naye-ke laphana-ke oDali Mpofu-ke laphana usanda kujoyina-ke umkhonto ovela khona-ke laphana-ke kwi-E_F_F ophinde-ke abe-ke iloya-ke kaZuma-ke laphana-ke. Kodwa ngifuni-ke mina ukuthi kuningi wakuzwa ngempela nje dlala-ke ividiyo yakhe uDali Mpofu-ke laphana-ke abe kukhuluma-ke uzwele yona-ke bekukhuluma ngicela amaZulu evidiyo ngama-comment section usho uvo lwakho ukuthi nawe ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke usebenze okulungile ucindezeleke ibhathini u-subscribe shibhile akubizi imali kumahhala nje kuzokwazi phela siqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha ngizobe ngiy'faka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
I'm glad this presentation ka-SG was being recorded. Again, people must go and listen carefully about what we're trying to do here. The SG spoke about total liberation, total freedom. When we go to our own structures, let's try and unpack what that means. What does it mean? And I was saying to somebody, total means total. Zonke. Everything. So in our history, there were many organizations that fought at different stages. So there were people who fought military wars for centuries. Then there was the ANC, the SGSA, which basically was fighting for political freedom, right? Then there was an organization such as, for example, the EFF that emphasized economic freedom, right? All those things are important. But we have now reached a stage where we are saying, as a people, we want total freedom. So that's our ideological standpoint. Cultural, social, knowledge, ideological, economic, freedom. Sizifuna zonke manje, we have reached that stage. That's what MK is here to bring. And we must be able to internalize that. But we will never do any of that if we don't unite this organization first and unite our people. When we say we unite black people, we're not saying just about skin color. It's about uniting black people because the black people are the most oppressed black people in this country. When we say we unite women, we are not just uniting women because they are women biologically. It is because women as a class and as a gender face particular issues, and we have to be able to reach across women in MK, outside of MK, so that they unite around those issues. So unity for us is an instrument. It's not a thing of fashion. It's something that is do or die. Without unity, we're finished for another 400 years. Amanda!